Pangatlo, offer a problem. Pang-apat, meron kang direct audience.
There was a motor in front of me, tapos he suddenly stopped, tapos he was like cursing me and everything to stop. And so this is my first webinar. So yeah, that's my setup. So I'm gonna use a microphone. I'm so nervous.
Pangatlo, offer a problem. Pang-apat, meron kang direct audience. Pang-lima, use of text. So yun yung hook mo sa video mo para makuha mo yung attention ng mga audience mo. So number 8 naman is include alt text. Meron
Finally done with my webinar. Grabe, ang daming tao, but I'm really happy. This is for you, mahal. Thank you for inspiring me. Hi, Tha Nge Chin. So today is a Wednesday. Today is March 15 and I just finished editing a vlog. So I'm uploading it. It's going to premiere in 15 minutes. So I'm just going to change because I have an invitation. Birthday invitation of a dear friend. So Jill, happy birthday. So yeah. Yesterday, I had a roller coaster emotion. I was really happy. Then after that, I just like shut down. So I took sleeping pills kagabi, but yeah, it didn't work. I slept, pero nagising ako ng maaga. So yeah, I'm just trying to slap my... Nice! Ganda. Nice! I love the tempo. Hi guys, I'm going to share to you what I'll be wearing for my friend's birthday. So she will be celebrating her birthday in Canto Restaurant. It's my first time to be there, but I've seen the place because I always bike there. But yeah, let's use this pants. This is a Jag pants. This is from my love, and I just altered it. So there's a garter here because it's way too big for me. So it's a bit high-waisted. Yeah. I'm going to use my super vintage Prada belt. This is my belt nung high school pa ako. Or elementary. So yeah. Pants has this words. This is the poem of Dennis. So he wrote this to me. Yeah, this is my Prada belt. Wearing this dry fit shirt from Dennis. I love it. For my shoes, I'll be wearing this very old Converse. Then, for my jacket, this Uniqlo denim jacket. My favorite bag. This vintage Fendi bag I got from my aunt. So yeah. Specs, I'll be using this YSL specs. It's also a vintage YSL. Focus. But yeah, it's a vintage YSL. This is my look. Oh yeah! Happy birthday to you!
I'm choosing from. I can hear your voices like fire burning my soul. Feeling like 80 miles, losing control. You have my soul. You have my soul. You have my soul. Midnight summer. I know ending is hurt, but we still go ahead. Try. Feeling like a paradise. Color rainbow in eyes. Got me feeling so alive because you are the one that always shine. Living my life like a rolling dice.
Filipino. It's like fly back to Manila.
And it is hurt, for it can be.
Hi Tha Nge Chin, today is a Tuesday, so I'm ready and off for my friend's wedding. Hello! Charot! Thank you, ate.
Thank you po.
Pero yung thank you, Carol, nakaya naman. Charot.
Okay.
And the music begun and it should be sealed with a kiss. I mean,
Kasi Wednesday, Saturday, wala to. Yan, yan. Okay, wait lang. So I just had my fitting this morning and now I am just cleaning the shop, fixing the clothes and organizing everything because I have a Zoom call at 5 p.m. So yeah, clean with me. I think I'm done with interview, so I will be now going to outside. Before I fetch my mom, I just wanted to buy some stuff for myself. So yeah, let's go. Hi Tha Nge Chin, this is my outfit. So shoes, Converse, shorts. It's a vintage shorts. Then Shop 3 Dentistry Joamar tee and my love's jacket and vintage Fendi bag. Let's do our errands. Saturday. It's a long ride. I'm so tired. Waiting for my brother. I'm finally in SM. I had a crazy experience. There was a motor in front of me, tapos he suddenly stopped. Tapos he was like cursing me and everything to stop. I said no, I won't stop. So yeah, I'm medyo galit, pero I'm calmed down. The meditation's really helpful. The manifestations, morning manifestations are really good kasi tinulungan niya ako mag-calm down. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my brother para mag-breakfast. But yeah, crazy talaga si Kuya. Sabi niya sa akin, "Tangina mo!" Sabi niya. But yeah, I had to calm down. Oh, grabe, that was weird. Oh God, buti hindi ako nakipag-away. Tapos I was going up. Tapos he followed me from the U-turn to the SM. Tapos he was about to, how do I say it? He was about to bump me, pero of course, we're expert. What a crazy experience. But yeah, I wanted to be firm lang talaga kasi I think he just wants money and he wants to bully me because I'm gay. Charot. Yun, in English ko na lang siya. Tumigil naman siya. Oh God.
My baby must losing control.
So this came from 3-hour bike. So now I'm going to do my weight workout before I rest or work. Let's go. Hello.
You have my soul, you have my soul. Midnight summer, written into paper, has them faded away, yeah. Midnight
Tha
summer.
Nge Chin, I'm bathing the 5 poodles. I don't know if I'll be able to take videos, but yeah, I'm not bathing Jade because she's not yet ready and not okay to be bathed kasi her babies needs to smell her.
I know ending is her, but we still go ahead, try. Feeling like a paradise, color rainbow in eyes, got me feeling so alive because you are the one that always shine. Living my life like rolling dice, can't take a risk to make you cry. With your hand on my hip, close my eyes. Please don't ask me, I don't know why. Midnight summer, written into paper. Right. Yeah. Midnight summer, I know ending is.
Hi Tha Nge Chin, so I'm currently editing the vlog now and I have to say goodbye and I will be doing a separate vlog because I will be traveling to Manila this 12 midnight. My best friend from high school will be fetching me, so we will be traveling to our friend's wedding in Manila. So, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and goodbye Tha Nge Chin kayo sa iba. Ayan, chite!
The words, ending is her.